The book, Significant American Military Aircraft, 1861 through 2020, tells the story of military flight from the perspective of America's most important airplanes. The aircraft are presented in order of each airplane's first flight. The book profiles each aircraft's major achievements. The Jenny was the first American aircraft to go to war. It performed in Mexico on the punitive expedition against Pancho Villa. Its maiden flight was in 1915. KD-1 Autogiro was the first practical rotary-winged aircraft. It first flew in 1934. The P-59 Airacomet was the first jet-powered American aircraft. Its original flight was in 1942. The F-117 Nighthawk was the first stealth aircraft. Its earliest flight was in 1981. Significant American military aircraft also includes airplanes whose achievements make them all-time icons of American aircraft. The book covers every category of military aircraft. The trainers include the T-6 Texan. It took wing 1935. The bombers include the B-29 Superfortress. It roared into the air in 1942. The fighters include the F-4 Phantom. Its flying life began in 1958. The Reconnaissance category includes the SR-71 Blackbird. Its maiden flight was in 1964. The cargo airplanes include the C-5 Galaxy. It first lumbered into the air in 1968. The vertical takeoff and landing category includes the V-22 Osprey. It first rose into the sky in 1989. The stealth category includes the B-2 Spirit Bomber. Its first flight was in 1989. The drones include the MQ-1 Predator. Its ground crew first guided it into the air in 1994. Significant American military aircraft introduces pilots and engineers responsible for the advancement of American aircraft, such as Chuck Yeager, the first pilot to break the sound barrier in 1947. The book covers all aspects of aviation technology, such as airborne instrumentation, as shown in the cockpit of the P-51 Mustang. The book highlights unique flying experiences, such as Aeromarine 39's first landing on a moving ship in 1922. These and many other aircraft are discussed in detail in Significant American Military Aircraft, available in print and electronic form, online, and at your favorite bookstore. Please visit orofinopressllc.com or dlakewriter.com for more.